So today I'm going to be starting a series on the Pydantic library in Python. This is a really great data validation library that a lot of people don't know about, but it is incredibly useful. So Pydantic allows you to define data models using Python's type annotations. And these models automatically validate the data against the types you specify. So it makes your code both cleaner and more robust. Let's take a look at a really brief example. So here's how this works. We start by importing Basemodel from Pydantic. This is the base class for all of its models. And so next we define a user class that inherits from Basemodel. This class represents a data model with three fields: ID, name, and email. And notice how we use type annotations to specify the types of each of those three fields. So now when we create an instance of the user class and pass in our data, Pydantic automatically validates that the data matches the types we defined. So we'll validate that ID is an integer and name and emails are strings. And so finally, we can print the user object. The output is a neatly formatted representation of the data, which confirms that Pydantic has validated everything successfully. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing and leave a comment letting me know what topic I should cover next.